Well, this is supposedly the smallest camera in the world. It's less than 2 inches high and less than an inch wide and just over a quarter deep, as it takes excellent pictures. Switch it on by pressing the power button at the side here and the mode button on the other side, which is here, both at the same time. This lights up 2 lights at the top. A green light, that shows your power is on. Press this white button on the top to record. A little green light comes on to tell you that you're recording. Press to stop recording. Press both buttons again to switch off. Simple. This is a sample video of the quality of film it takes. Not bad for a camera this size.